In this lecture, I will do the classification of magnetic materials. These are the objectives of this lecture. First, I will introduce some physical parameters related to magnetization. Then I will classify magnetic materials. Then I will explain diamagnetic materials. Then I will derive an equation in Langevin theory. In a vacuum, magnetic induction B is equal to mu naught H. In a material, the magnetic moments also create a magnetic field. So inside a material, the magnetic induction B is equal to mu naught H plus mu naught M. Here mu naught M is the magnetic induction created by the magnetic moments in the material. Susceptibility is the derivative of magnetization with respect to the magnetic field. When chi is large, it is a strong magnetic material. When chi is small, it is a weak magnetic material. Diamagnetic materials and paramagnetic materials are not used in the applications of magnetic materials. Only the ferromagnetic materials and the ferrimagnetic materials are useful in the applications of the magnetic materials. In diamagnetic materials, the magnetic moments inside the material create a magnetic field in the opposite direction to the applied magnetic field. Susceptibility of diamagnetic materials are very small, so they are weak magnetic material. Because electrons in outer subshells of diamagnetic materials are paired, diamagnetic materials have a very small magnetization. The orbit of the electron is a circle. The angular momentum vector is perpendicular to the area of the orbit. When we apply a magnetic field, the angular momentum vector rotates around the magnetic field. That is called precession. In the first lecture, we have proven an equation for the orbital magnetic moment of the electron. Mu is equal to minus EL over 2m. From that equation, L is equal to minus 2m mu over E. After taking the derivative of L with respect to T, we can prove the final equation given on this slide. Here omega equals EB over 2m is called the Larmor frequency. Now we are going to prove the equation given in the last slide. Previously we have proven an equation for the orbital magnetic moment of an electron. From that equation, capital L is equal to minus 2m mu over E. We take the derivative of L, then we can prove the last equation given in this slide. Here this omega equals minus EB over 2m is called the Larmor frequency. We will prove the two equations given on this slide. The susceptibility is proportional to atomic number Z. So the susceptibility is larger for the bigger atoms. In first lecture, we have proven an equation for the electric current for an atom with one electron. When there are Z electrons, the current is equal to minus ZE over T. Starting from that equation, we can prove the equation for electric current I is equal to minus ZE omega over 2 pi. The magnetic moment is equal to the current times the area of the orbit of the electron. Then the magnetic moment is equal to minus Ez omega rho squared over 2. Here rho is the radius of the circular path of the electron. After putting the Larmor frequency in the equation of magnetic moment, we can prove an equation for magnetic moment. Mu is equal to minus Z E squared times B over 4m times rho squared. That's equation number 1, and this is the equation for the average value of the magnetic moment. In 2D case, rho squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. For circle, x squared is equal to y squared. So x squared is equal to rho squared over 2. In 3D case, r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared. For the sphere, x squared is equal to y squared, that is equal to z squared. Then x squared is equal to r squared over 3. Then finally we can prove an equation for rho squared in terms of r squared. The average value of rho squared is equal to 2 times the average value of r squared over 3. Then we can write equation number 1 in terms of r squared. So mu is equal to minus Z E squared B over 6m times r squared. The magnetization is equal to n times mu when there are n atoms per unit volume. Then finally we can prove an equation for the susceptibility. Chi is equal to minus mu naught n Z E squared times r squared over 6m. Because the calculation of the average value of r squared is complicated, it is difficult to calculate the susceptibility of diamagnetic materials.